So I'm going to show you guys how we make really healthy, we can make your own vitamins. So what we do here is, you see, you get oranges. You eat an orange, of course. Instead of throwing away the peels, we save them, and then when we get enough of them, we dehydrate the orange peels. In our dehydrator, and then once they're all dehydrated, we take a coffee grinder and we grind them all up into a powder. This is almost gone. This was full to the very top, and we've been using it all. This is all we got left. This is why we're making more. And you can mix this with your other vitamins or in tea or whatever, and it's pure flavonoid, riboflavins, whatever all that stuff is, and orange, vitamin C. Take the peels, dehydrate them, coffee grind them, and you've got this perfect healthy powder. And it's way cheaper than buying some crazy stuff, whatever you want to buy from.